Hi, Tobias.
Hi.
Hi. We're here at the Continuous Delivery Conference in Stockholm 2017, and you're one of the speakers.
Yes.
Right? Could you just give us a quick rundown? What is the key takeaways from your speak?
Basically, I'm going to have a look at one of our main initiatives where we went into sort of a continuous delivery setup at NetEnt. But I'm going to approach it slightly differently. I'm going to approach it more from maybe a business side and see how to sell these things within the organization, get buy-in from the people that need to buy into these things, and get it started. And then also, of course, show sort of our lessons learned along the way, because you always make mistakes, and then show the results at the end as well.
Mm. And are there any obvious naysayers in the organizations? Are we talking about the man on the floor? Are they blue-collar workers, or are they the management? Who are you trying to convince here?
Basically, I'd say that the thing where you use the business approach of things is the fact that these things cost money. It could be a system they have to buy, but it could also be, you have to invest time and resources into doing these things. So it's always better to have the people on the business side that want to see the results. Because if you come and present something in terms of this is a cool new technology, that's not really going to sell. So you have to approach it from the side where this is where it's going to take the business and the company. So I'd say the naysayers are maybe not naysayers, but a bit skeptical, because you have to present figures and numbers at the end as well, especially for like a publicly traded company as ourselves.
And can you reveal a silver bullet? How do I convince my management?
That will be in the presentation.
Okay.
So you'll have to wait for that, yeah.
Okay, that's good. What is your background? How did you end up here in this continuous delivery, DevOps, organizational change, improve landscape?
I'd say that it's always been a pet peeve of mine in terms of improvements. Okay. But I have a background in computer science, I have a master's, started coding in the beginning. I did not feel that was really for me, sort of just to write code. I don't mean that in that sense, but for me, it's more about the entire process, the full chain of events, and creating like a well-oiled machinery. So I started working for high-tech companies, but I soon became a manager and started working with maybe a bit of bigger picture thinking in terms of automation, in terms of making a smoother organization and so on. So I have full faith that people are better than me at doing the technical bits and pieces, but I like to set a strategy and move things forward and create new ways of thinking in people. So that's my sort of my drive in all of this.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, and thank you for coming here and joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much, Tobias.